Hello everyone, welcome to my channel or welcome back. If it is our first time here, my name is Monica. I love music, I love dance and sing, and I'm loving doing reactions. It has been a journey full of emotions, and that is what I'm gonna do today. My last video from Angelina Jordan. In the comments, someone said that she released new songs, and I already knew, but I think she's gonna release more, and it would be in September, right? I think so. I came to check if I really watched all the songs that she released, but no, it is Fire and Rain. I missed this one, and I'm gonna listen now with you. Angels, before the video, if you like my reactions, don't forget to like, and if you like, subscribe to my channel. Let me tell you one thing, I need some days off with my son. We're gonna travel. It is near and it is not gonna take too long. So yeah, it is gonna take more than a week for the notebook. Get ready, but it is gonna happen. Don't worry. And now, let's listen. The one that I missed. In 3, 2, 1.
If I go far from home, I still know I'm not alone. You're wherever I'll be, 'cause I carry you with me. If the sky gets too dark, I just love when I know star. Finding you is easy, 'cause I carry you with me. Ain't no mountain high that I'm not gonna climb. No river is too wide, valley too low. The places that I go, fire and rain, keep throwing on my way.
I saw her post so soon, but I am loving this one. Let me go back a little bit. Not expecting that.
No river is too wide, valley too low. The places that I go, fire and rain, keep throwing on my way. I know how much I can take. I get stronger from the pain. Fire and rain, try to break me, I'll be okay. I risk it all, I know I'm brave. Getting stronger every day. 'Cause I'm never going down, never gonna ever hit the ground. Fire and rain, 'cause I'm never going down, never gonna ever hit the ground. Fire and rain, well, I made it with you by my side. I know I'm alright.
Let me just go back to this part. This song is more pop than the others that I listened, and I am loving. I love that she's doing different songs in this album, really.
Side. I know I'm alright. Sweet dreams I make through the dark and cold. Ain't no mountain high that I'm not gonna climb. No river is too wide, valley too low. The places that I go, fire and rain,
I love it.
keep throwing on my way. I know how much I can take. I get stronger from the pain. Fire and rain, try to break me, I'll be okay. I risk it all, I know I'm brave. Getting stronger every day. 'Cause I'm never going down, never gonna ever hit the ground. Fire and rain, 'cause I'm never going down, never gonna ever hit the ground. Fire and rain. If I go far from home, I I still know I'm not alone. You're wherever I'll be, 'cause I carry you with me.
I love it. This one. Tell me, what do you think? And let me know if she's gonna release. Now I realize that we are not in the end of September yet, so I'm hoping for the new songs. And also, I hope you enjoy this one, and I'll see you all in the next one.